can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts. And I'm just tryna play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you now.
Hi guys, welcome back to New Space. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make these black and white aesthetic school supplies. So be sure to subscribe and like if you want to see more of these kind of videos. And don't forget to answer the question of the week by clicking on the info card right here. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So let's start off with this marble correction roller. I didn't really like the color of my Pritt correction roller, so that's why I took some marble contact paper and traced out the outline of my correction roller. Then I took some scissors and cut it out. After that, I peeled off the contact paper and put it onto the roller. You can use your fingers to remove all the air bubbles. This is optional, but you can do some touch-ups by using an X-Acto knife. Then I repeated these steps for the other side, and yeah, this is the result and I'm really happy with it. Next up, I'm going to show you how you can make your folders look way more aesthetic. So I started by removing this tag, and then I used a ruler to find its size. I used these dimensions to make a new tag in pages. And then I searched for some alien heads, planets, and put them on this tag. After printing it out, I took some scissors and cut it out. Next up, I had to put it back in place, and last I put this yes sticker onto the folder. It's an easy DIY and it turned out amazing. Next up is this grid tape holder. It's a DIY that I've already shown a few times on this channel. Start by opening a tape holder and remove the piece of cardboard that we're going to use as a template. Draw around this template to find the shape you have to cut. Then you can take an X-Acto knife or some scissors and cut it out. Don't forget to cut out the circle, put it back in place, and you're done. It's very easy to make and you can be creative too. Next up is this Warden Japanese notebook. So I did the usual stuff how I always make my notebooks. I started off by removing the front, and then I took some scrapbook paper, folded it, took a glue gun and glued it onto my refill pad. So then I made this design on Pixlr.com. I wrote insane and put the Japanese translation underneath. You can also choose for Korean or Chinese. After that, I took some scissors and cut it out. Then I took some Mod Podge and glued it onto the notebook. And after that, I gave it one more layer of Mod Podge. I really like the design of this notebook. Let me know in the comments which word or sentence you would use. Last but not least is this black and white pencil. Take some washi tape to cover all the places that you don't want to be painted. Then you can take some black paint and paint the pencil. Then you can remove the washi tape and take some new washi tape to make a kind of design on your pencil. I chose for 2 stripes. Take some white paint and paint over the sections that you want to be white. When done, you can remove the washi tape before the paint dries, because this will prevent it from ripping. I'm really happy with how this pencil turned out. It's original and aesthetic. So this was the video. Don't forget to leave all your questions in the comment section down below and let me know which of these DIYs is your favorite. Be sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and until the next video.
Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new. Now it's in the papers, all I seem to see. Must be something underneath.